Hey, I'm Richard Harris, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about my work with Carlene and how helpful she's been for my business personally. I got a chance to meet Carlene a few months ago, and I always knew that I had a good message. My offer was really, really strong. I help students and parents and help a lot of families navigate the educational planning process. But the problem I was having was I had a lot of people kind of coming through my funnel, but I didn't have a back end system, a process, and even a webinar funnel that would help them to understand my message and then sign up for a call with me. And Carlene was fantastic at giving me really good advice. She ensured that my cost per lead actually dropped as a result of working with her. My cost per application even dropped even more. And I was able to sign up a lot more clients. I had a lot more people who were glad to work with me and overall increase my revenue because of the webinar funnel that she helped me to create. So I couldn't speak more highly of Carlene and what she's done to help me. I know she'll do the same thing for you. She's a fantastic person to work with. And so, again, I highly recommend Carlene because of what she's been able to do for my business. So, all right, just wanted to throw it out there. And thanks, Carlene, for all the help you've given me. All right, thank you.